Hi, today I'm going to be modeling how to use the area model. This is a different model of multiplication that we use with fourth graders at the beginning of the school year. So I wanted to give you a tutorial on how to use it for both the students and for parents who are trying to help their children. All right, so we're going to do with a single digit by a double digit number first, and then I'll do a 2-digit by 2-digit number. So if we have a problem 7 times 14, all right, what we're going to do is we're going to take this 7, we're going to put it on the side. We're going to represent this 7 with dashes. All right, so that's going to be 7. Then we're going to take 14, and what we're going to do is we're going to split 14 up by place value. So what we're going to do is we're going to make the 14 a 10 and a 4, because we're doing it by place value. All right, 10 and 4. So now we have 7 on the side representing the first number. We have 10 and 4 on the top, which represents the 14 split up, so 10 and 4. And then what we're going to do is we're going to finish off the rectangle. And now all we do is we multiply each of the rectangles and we find the area for each rectangle. So we're going to do 10 times 7. We're going to write 7 times 4. I always encourage to have the students write the equation in so that I know what they did in case they do make a mistake. Then I can find the mistake much easier. So we'll do 10 times 7, which is 70. 7 times 4, which is 28. Then what we do is we take these two numbers and we're going to add them together. 70 plus 28 equals 98. So the answer to this question, 7 times 14, is 98. Now let's show you a double digit by double digit number problem. So we're going to do 16 times 22 equals, all right? And what we're going to do is we're going to start with this 16. We're going to put it on the side. I'm going to represent that with a 10 and a 6. Once again, I'm splitting that by place value. So 10 and 6. We're going to do the same thing for the 22. Now you can do this one of two ways. You could split the 22 into 10, 10, and 2, or you can do it the way that I'm going to do it because I feel like it's easier for kids to do it this way if we're just splitting it by place value. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it 20 and 2. I also find that that kind of eliminates one step. It's not necessarily a shortcut, but adding unnecessary steps just makes it more work for kids, and I feel like then they're more prone to make mistakes if they do it that way. So what we're going to do now is we're going to make this box, and what we're going to do is we're going to connect the dots, or connect the lines where they are broken up. So the 20 and the 2, we draw a line straight down from there. The 10 and the 16, we draw a straight line. Now we've got 4 boxes that we have to find the area for. So we'll do 20 times 10. We'll do 10 times 2. We'll do 20 times 6. And we'll do 6 times 2. And now what we're going to do is now we're going to solve this. 20 times 10 is 200. 2 times 10 is 20. 20 times 6 is 120. And then 6 times 2 is 12. Now what we will do is we'll add these numbers up. 200, 120, 20, and 12. And we're going to add these up. 2, 5, 3. And the correct answer is 352. I hope this helps you understand the area model and how your students are supposed to be solving the problems right now. Students will learn standard algorithm later in the school year, but this is the way that we teach it at the beginning of the year to help with students' understanding of their math facts, but also help them to have a little bit better number recognition and comprehension. Thanks.